Deforestation has risen to its highest level since 2015, especially at the world's most species-rich and largest savanna called the Cerrado in Brazil. It is the biodiversity hotspot of the planet. Our next report gets you the complete story.
This is Brazilian Cerrado savanna, a global biodiversity hotspot. It is often called an upside-down or an inverted forest for its deep-rooted plants sunk into the ground. After losing half of its area to crops and cattle, the Cerrado savanna is at risk of acute deforestation. Scientists across the world are alarmed.
The jump in deforestation impacting savanna is very alarming because Ibaimi already had a very high percentage of its area affected by deforestation.
From August 2020 to July 2021, the Brazilian Cerrado has lost more than 8,000 square kilometers of land to more than 50,000 fires. The size of land lost is more than 10 times the size of New York City's land area.
In very few places around the world, we have had such a fast and intense transformation in the last 3 or 4 decades.
The Cerrado biome's destruction is a major source of Brazil's greenhouse emissions. The added destruction is of particular concern, considering that half of the land has already been destroyed to farming and ranching. Much of the land here is being converted to cattle pasture and soybean cultivation. And the biggest buyer is the European Union. 23% of the European bloc's soy imports are from the Brazilian Cerrado, and a whopping 70% of imports are linked to deforestation. Not just Europe, massive deforestation in the Cerrado has been creeping up since Jair Bolsonaro's presidency in 2019. There have been renewed calls for more farming and development in sensitive ecosystems. The Cerrado is considered Brazil's headwater, the source of 8 of the country's 12 river basins, including the Amazon. It is an important carbon sink, storing the equivalent of 13.7 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide. Protecting forests, biodiversity and water resources in the region will require additional action by the state and federal governments in Brazil, as well as by corporations that buy and sell agricultural commodities to other nations. If deforestation continues at this rate, scientists warn that the biome may collapse within 30 years. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.